of Maki and Silent Sanctuary, and now we're gonna be having a video here. Yay! I'm done prepping my skin, so we're moving on to brows.
Snap na, snap na. Wala. Hindi man ako masyadong nagkanta ng Tagalog, but this is for from this moment. Life has begun from this moment. You are the one never be apart. My dream is moment on. You're the reason and you're the answer to more on Facebook and Instagram. Link down below for everything. In 30 minutes, we're about to land. Please fasten your seatbelt and ano.
This is Atenas Airlines, so they have
This
video
is
making.
Athena's airline, and please book now. Thank you.
It's the only airline that has video cam on it, you know.
You're the answer to my prayers. Wala di ko. Kuan na. Ang kulot ba?
Finishing up with this lipstick shade.
Aban nga. Kana? Sorry guys. Bye guys. Simple na.
So that's all my everyday makeup look, guys.
Wala ka mag-picture sunscreen.
Wala ta ex. Dito na basta kay skincare ko before ko nag-apply og makeup, guys. This kind of unexpected vlog, and karon ba ko lang nga mag-vlog ko kay murag bibo-bibo man pad. Nagtapok-tapok may mga igagaw. Daw, may kabaw sa mga may tabuon dya, so stay put, guys. Nangaman ako ready, but my cousins are not yet ready. So, karon nga samanta.
We are about to land. Uy, napil mo ko.
This is my fit right now. More or less, mini juice, guys.
Chukog sando nga cheetah kanina.
Okay, ano ko ito nga sa inyong kuan.
More jug, mini juice, guys, pero nagsaka ko cycling. This is from Shop 21 and activewear from Nike. Punta na kami og concert sa Maki og Silent Sanctuary. Kaya ako buong sa na nga banda ng
live.
buong sa na nga kinsa na sida ka ng Maki nga singer
Mickey na.
Mickey.
Mickey.
Kana rang Silent Sanctuary sa una tan ako concert sa Silent Sanctuary ko to ja. Karon kay Silent Sanctuary gyapon.
Blush on na ganji. Wait na upa ko itupan.
Teka, magwanta, mag-video tari.
Silent. Silent.
Yup. Okay, boss lyrics.
Just say
Shoot it up.
oh na fire.
Picture? Picture na ito bang? Ay, thank you.
I don't like.
So, off to the concert. Bye-bye. Hi guys, nagkapan may karon sa gawas. Almost 2 hours na may aring.
Nag-ilap di gani.
Yes. Magyapon, nagyapon. Please follow my YouTube channel, Lyra Nicole. Almost 4 months na po buhay vlog.
Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, mahal na mahal kita. Bigay daw, thank you kay Spider-Man ng Bohol. Game. 1, 2, 3, sing! Di ko maintindihan ang nilalaman ng puso. Tuwing magkahawak ang ating kamay. Next one naman guys. Pinapanalangin lagi tayong magkasama. Hinihiling bawat oras kasiping ka. Parang tagbilaran, magbigay, let's go! Sige pa, ingay pa, let's go! Tagbilaran! Mas malakas pa, let's go! Thank you. Good night. Maraming salamat. Joke lang. Tinignan ko na kung may allergy pa kayo. Meron pa ba guys? Malakas pa ba kayo? Sana.
my child.